Water-soluble film liquid packaging machine, product melts in water test, can quickly melt in water. It is used in concentrated laundry industry, cleaners, detergents, softeners and other products that need to be dissolved in water. The coolant fan can reduce the sealing temperature of the machine. The chassis air conditioner can reduce the horizontal sealing temperature. And cooling device can reduce the temperature and make the water-soluble film belt pulled out flat. Stainless steel material barrel. Liquid feeding machine, automatic feeding, reducing the need for manual feeding. The transverse film device, like the multi-face machine, has multiple ducts. The stretched film is smoother. Ribbon coding machine prints the production date. Schneider display can automatically adjust parameters.